Hello my beautiful internet friends and welcome back to the vlog. It is Tuesday and I am home getting ready for garbage day. I'm making supper. We had a little sneaky trip to Costco this evening, so that happened. We picked up some things, not a lot. We picked up some croissants. This was just a random pack of pork from Walmart I just took out of the freezer. Bananas, a giant bag of carrots, and some new food storage because, I mean, I've been so into meal prep and I don't have that many containers, so I just wanted to low-key stock up. I'm going to I'm going to drink my smoothie from this morning because I never had time. Supper's on thawing. It's a shepherd's pie I made like a week ago. We're going to deal with this. We're going to deal with all of the things. I mean, it's a lot. This food storage collection is by Glass Lock, and I wanted to talk to you guys about it for a second because it's just super handy. It's a decent set, and I wanted to show you. So it comes with, let me flip this over. Oh, regret. It's BPA free. It's clear, obviously, so they're all clear. You can heat these up. You can, I don't know if you can put them in the freezer, but I mean, again, they're food storage. So you get two 400 mils, two 450 mil containers, two 900, two 850, one 950, and one 1.71 liter containers. So this is gonna make food storage so much easier. So I'm really excited about that, so yay. Let's get into this, guys. Let's go through my evening. Guys, I forgot about a cucumber in the fridge, clearly. Oh, it looks bad. Guys, I'm getting somewhere real fast. Side note, I got these bars. These were on Dragon's Den. These are the Wello Kids probiotic bars. There are adult versions, but they're not available in Newfoundland. So I figured I would just try the flavors. I picked up chocolate chip and cacao banana. So they're really yummy, actually. They're packed with probiotics. You get 5 in a box. They were 2 for $10 at Dominion tonight, so I figured it was worth trying. They're definitely cheaper online, so I'll probably order them from their website and get the adult versions. Update time. Sinks are almost empty. Chopped up the leftover cucumber in the fridge so I can eat it like chips. Side note, guys, I am like low-key so proud of myself. I know, it's excessive, and sometimes I'm a little bit over crazy. But I mean, if you can store your food and it lasts longer, then do it, right? I also reorganized down here, let me explain. So, on the bottom shelf, I put all the pots and things that I like reach for, but not that I don't reach for them, but you know what I mean, like the ones that are easy to stack, because I found all my containers and stuff used to be down here and they used to fall into the abyss, but up here they don't have anywhere to fall, so I put them up here along with the blenders. And now that I've organized it, I feel like I have so much more space. Like I used to think this was like the dreaded corner cabinet that things went to die. Now it's like the clean, organized cabinet, and I'm quite happy about it. So woot. One room successfully reorganized, everybody. Next step is the bedroom, and then we're gonna make our way to the living room, which will be a lot more organized once the bedroom is organized. So we're gonna deal with that disaster zone next. So cue the cheeky little cleaning time lapse here. Guys, it's legitimately snowing, but it is melting as soon as it hits the ground. Happy Thursday! I realized I didn't really vlog much today, but tonight consisted of like registering for the Active for Autism, dealing with the snow and ice pellets that fell a lot without winter tires. That was a bit nerve-wracking. Then I just came home and talked on the phone to Britt. So I want to end this vlog so I can start a new vlog for the weekend tomorrow because we're going to a hockey game. Give this video a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you all tomorrow. I love you guys. Bye!